say, to get lost is to learn the way. And I'm lost right now, hoping to return someday to a place I call home, yet where I'm born and raised. He was torn away the day shots were fired and cops retired and left my city scorched and blazed. So you're after my home. I don't know what you call this place. And I know most of you feel the same, wishing to go back and just heal the pain of a war-torn country that needs to change from what once was a holiday destination to a place we seem to avoid. Because we don't want to see no gunshots or bomb drops, yet they sleep with the noise. It's peak, ain't it, boys? While you're dropping school for the trap and copper tools that will clap, it's not a shocking truth, it's a fact. They're trying to live the life you just threw away. And when we see our brothers and sisters on TV dying, we just see them in weak, along with these phony terrorist attacks people seem to believe. When will you understand it's all man-made, like this band on my hand that says freedom of speech? But things are looking up now, even though it's kind of hard to see. We can all do our bit if we pick up a book and start to read. Learn about our history, because the future's the goal, but the past we lead. And like most of you, I ain't never been to my country, but it'll always be a part of me.
Somalia, Hanola to Somalia, Hanola to Somalia, Hanola to Somalia.